Hello there everybody. Today we're working on a 2007 Volkswagen Golf, City Golf, and we have a check engine light that's popping a code, and so today we're going to be switching out the canister purge valve, which is a pretty straightforward operation. You can see the part we're going to be replacing right here, right in there, and so all this is going to take, the engine code was a P0441, by the way. So all we should need is a flathead screwdriver, and we're just going to pop out the old one, put in the new one. Okay, so the first step is we're going to slide the little bracket, slide it off. Okay. So next we want to unhook the wire, in which you just slide the screwdriver in the top, bend it back, and pull the plug out. So the do is to release the little hose clamps on each end, slide off the hose, and then we'll be set to replace the new canister. These older pipes, if you're having a difficulty sliding it off the hose, I find with your channel grips, if you grab the hose gently and twist the part gently together, that can help give you enough leverage to just kind of break the crud away from the hose and the purge valve itself, allowing you to just slide it off. There you go. Okay, here's the new part. Brackets on, installation's just the reverse. So we're going to put the hoses on first, attach the metal connector, and just before we do, just to note, the part that we purchased came with this adapter. So not a big deal, but yours may come with an adapter too if you're doing this job. It just clicks in, and so we'll just tuck that down on the side, which you'll see soon. So hook up the hose, we'll hook up the electrical, attach the bracket, should be good to go. And there you have it. Now we just gotta start the car, let it run a little bit, it should clear out the code, and our emission should be back in check. Thanks for watching. Once again, it's a 2007 Volkswagen City Golf. Great little car, just keeping it working in shape.